I really should keep all of the footages of when I'm trying to make a video, because this is like the 41st time now. But anyway, hello ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be showing you a tutorial based on how to create a Twitter account. This is going to be a legitimate account. This is not one I am just throwing together. This is going to be a legitimate account for my how-to tutorials Twitter. So enough of that, let's get started. So in order to get to this part that I am on now, all you have to do is go onto your Android. If you haven't already downloaded, or if it doesn't already come with the Twitter app installed, just go onto the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. I don't know, I've never had an Apple phone. And download Twitter. Same if you're doing this through laptop, just go on to go on the Twitter, and it will come up basically sign in or create an account. Click on create an account. So for example, I am going to put my YouTube name, so how to tutorials. Then you're going to want to put your phone number in. Now in the bottom left hand corner, if you don't want to use your phone number, it says use email instead, so click on that. Pause this video of course if I am going too fast for you, and then obviously you can keep up. I just want to get this done as quickly as possible. So email, let's go with I believe it is, oh, it's already came up there, that's perfect. That is also just pointing out my YouTube. If you want to send me a message through YouTube about content that you would like to see, that is the email you want to use. Send me an email on that one. Right, once you have done that, click next. This is basically customizing your experience. So basically, I don't know, if you want to read through them, pause this video of course, but I'm just going to click next. I don't bother with any of that stuff. And then after that you just want to click sign up. They have sent me a code to my email. Now when you get this code, all you're going to have to do is type it in to where it says verification code. So let's just go and have a little look for that. So here we go, 286347. 286347. Lovely. Now you're going to want to choose a password. So I am going to put, yeah, I thought it would do that. So I am going to pause this video just so you don't see my password. There we go. On the next step, it is going to ask you to upload a profile picture. Now if you want to do this later, it does say skip in the bottom left hand corner. You can skip it, but I just like to get it out the way with now. What was that? I don't know. So anyway, once you have chosen your profile picture, it will come up like this. This is basically for you to zoom in, zoom out, adjust it so you get pretty much what you want of the picture as your profile picture. When you are happy with that, click apply. Again, pause this video of course if I am going too fast for you, which I preferably will do because you might you might type in a password wrong or it's already taken. So yeah, feel free to obviously pause this video. So yeah, click apply. And then obviously once you've applied it, that is basically showing you how your profile picture will look. Next, that confused me then. Next, all you have to do is click next. describe yourself. So I will do this later because I am going to be putting in about the YouTube channel, but you can only have a maximum of 160 words. So for now, I am going to click in the bottom left hand corner, skip for now. Connect your address book to find people you may know on Twitter. This is basically if you're wanting to know what sync contacts is. Sync stands for synchronized. Basically, your contacts in your address book, on your emails, or on your phone, or saved onto your laptop. This basically allows you to add your contacts straight away onto your Twitter account. But for myself, I don't want to do that. So I am going to click, oh lovely, 20%, yeah, that's fine. I am going to click not now. Then it will come up, what are you interested in? So you can search for things that you're interested in, or it's got a few things here, like the news, music, entertainment. So for me, for example, I am going to click YouTube. For another one, like food, gaming, music, comedy. You can click show more. There's plenty of things that you can choose from. Again, in the bottom left hand corner it does say skip for now. I've chosen one, so I am going to click next. You may be interested in, and then it brings up people that you might want to follow. So let's have a look, see if there's someone that really stands out. KSI, he's been doing a lot lately. BBC, Strictly Come Dancing. Mr. Beast, we all should know who Mr. Beast is. So all you have to do is basically click follow, and then that allows you to follow them. But again, I am not bothered about that, I am just going to click next. Welcome to Twitter. There we go, that is your account pretty much set up. And again, you will get obviously I was about to say that, yeah, the news and things pop up on Twitter. I guess that's a good thing about keeping in touch with the world. You have fun, entertainment. Twitter's like a more up-to-date version of YouTube. So, for example, as well, click on the bottom. You have your messages if people inbox you. Next to that, you have notifications or mentions if people mention you in anything. Search, you can search for celebrities, your friends, or your homepage, which if you click on let's go at the moment, it's just going to take you back to the search page because you have to start following people. So for example, let's type in, I don't know, I don't know, let's just type in Eminem. Everyone should know who Eminem is. Oh yeah, I've got no signal because I'm in an awkward place at work at the minute. But basically all it's going to do is, no, literally, internet's gone. So basically, oh here we go, it's just come up. So obviously Eminem comes up, you click on him, you can click on follow, that will allow you to follow him. And it just shows what people have been up to, like Eminem, 31st of August, he tried not to overthink this one. But thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. This is basically going to be it. That is how you set up Twitter. It is not too difficult. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you enjoy your time on Twitter. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.